Hello guys, thank you for jumping onto this video. So with the new InShot motion tracking effect, I will show you how to use the two effects by blurring a moving face and a moving text with a person. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Leave a like and comment down below. So with that being said, let's get started. Add your text to your video. Adjust the size to your preference. Clip it to the end. Now play the video. As you can see, the text is not moving with the subject in the video. So let's use tracking to make this work. Tap tracking and select the second object tracking and move it on the subject. Select start tracking. Tracking completed. Let's preview. This is the second video, and we apply a mosaic on the moving face. Select sticker, tap detail, and make the mosaic cover the face. Clip it to the end. Play the video. As you can see, the face is not well covered with the mosaic, so let's apply tracking to fix it. Select tracking and choose the face tracking tool. Select start tracking. Tracking completed. Let's preview. Thank you so much for watching and much love I got for you. Peace.